Alright everybody, the Schindler MTs at IKEA in Conshohocken got modernized by ThyssenKrupp. So let's take them for a ride. Going up?
Whoa.
You could have told them we didn't have to wait. Sorry. Go ahead, guys.
It would need to be like that there.
Thank you.
Thank you, so sorry. IKEA smells good. I say we get food first.
And tastes good.
You're napping now when you could have had a like chair to land, like for 5 hours.
Please don't.
Alright. Oh wait, she hates elevators. I think.
There's nothing to be scared of.
Baby. Yeah.
Going down? Okay, come on in. Go ahead.
Thank you.
Still has the Schindler logo on the door track, so I guess ThyssenKrupp didn't entirely replace the cab. But yeah, I don't understand though why it doesn't have the trademark ThyssenKrupp vents. Alright, so that's the garage car. Ring the bell. Now we'll ride car number 2. Hi. Oh, don't mind me, I'm just taking a video of the elevator. This is the only passenger car in the store that has a rear door. Sorry if this isn't the best video. Today's Saturday and the store is crowded. Alright. Now we'll ride the elevator to the market hall. Just went. Oh no, it didn't. I forgot that that's the elevator machine room for both cars 1 and 2. Let's listen to the motor. I mean, when these were Schindler MTs, the cabs were slightly more attractive, but they ran horribly, so they really needed this modernization. This modernization was an absolutely needed modernization, and I will have to say, good job, ThyssenKrupp. You did a really good job on this. And we'll get the machine room. And in conclusion, 2 thumbs up, IKEA. You finally did something about these pieces of shit. That's it.